Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both devices. Keep the old phone unlocked and the new phone nearby. On the old phone, sign into Google where Authenticator is configured and make sure backup or export options are available. This preserves codes. Once done, install Google Authenticator on the new phone from the official store and open it. Make sure your new phone has camera access enabled because you will scan QR codes. This step starts the transfer and prevents losing access. On the old phone, open Google Authenticator and choose the Export or Transfer Accounts option. Authenticate with PIN or fingerprint. Once it lists accounts, generate the QR code S. Then, on the new phone, tap Import or Scan QR code in Authenticator and point the camera at the displayed QR. You will often scan multiple QR codes. After each scan, confirm the account appears with a 6-digit rotating code. Make sure times are synced if a code fails to match. Complete by testing 1 or 2 accounts. Use the new phone's code to sign in and confirm acceptance. If a code fails, first ensure both phones have correct time settings. Authenticator relies on clock sync, so set automatic network time. If necessary, re-export and rescan the QR for specific accounts. Once all accounts verify, you can remove Authenticator from the old phone. Keep the old device for a short period in case you need to repeat the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.